are new to my video, you can press the like button and also subscribe. Hello everyone, good morning. This is Matt Anthony IT and welcome to my vlog for this morning. This morning I will be talking about why the disadvantage of keeping your laying bed in a free range system. Disadvantages of free range system in keeping your laying beds. So we had a little bit of discussion on Discord. So I said, okay, let me just have this in an open discussion as well. Yeah, so let's do it. This is just a little bit of diversion from the topic I'm going to talk about today, but nevertheless, this is the layer feed. Okay, can you see? So this is the layer feeds which I feed my red leghorn laying beds. We have different types of laying beds here in Nigeria, like two. Okay, we have some common two. We have the black leghorn and we have red leghorn. Okay, so I use this type of feed to grow my chicken, and they are very productive. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Can you see? It's pellet feed. So I use it every day, like twice in a day, early in the morning just like this, and also in the midday like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock or 2, depending on what time I get to the farm. Can you see? So the topic for today will be disadvantage of free range system for your laying beds. Okay, so let's get back to work. So guys, welcome back. Like you all know, it's a little bit raining this early morning since close to 2 hours ago. So for this kind of beds, they are very hungry this early morning, but nevertheless I would like to talk on disadvantages of free range system in keeping your beds. Number one, when you keep your beds, not even just your beds alone, laying beds, when you keep them at a free range system, it's exposes them to so many things, predators, thief. Okay, yeah, because nowadays people just come to farm, they harvest your produce, your chicken, your rabbit, your goats, your sheep, and so many other stuff you keep in your farm. So it exposes them to more hazard. All right, and even when they lay eggs, it's not too safe. Let me show you some stuff here. Can you see some eggs there? Can you see some eggs? Let me come down. Yeah, so it's close to maybe six or seven. All right, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you keep your laying bed in a cage, it's very safe. It can spend up to 24 hours or 48 hours that side without me picking them up. But when it comes to the battery cage system, when it comes to the free range system, it's open to so many hazards. All right, dangers, hazard, and so many other stuff. Predators can just come, such as snakes, all these rodents, and chop off their head, their leg, wings, and some other parts of their body. So we had a discussion, like I said earlier, on Discord, and it entails so many lines which took us so many hours. So I said to myself, it's good to expose so many people to the dangers of using the free range system to keep your animals. It's not too safe for agricultural management. Then keeping of your records will be not too accurate. Like now, these are my birds and I know how much they lay daily. Okay, they lay close to sometimes four eggs, sometimes 5. Okay, so it varies. It depends on how early they eat and also how good they feed. There are some days they actually lay close to 5 eggs a day. Can you see? So keeping of your record will be more accurate when it comes to the battery cage system, which is very, very safe. So guys, thanks for watching. This Matt Anthony IT, and have a lovely day. Always keep your record, keep your animal safe, and also be safe as well. Thank you so much.